save the egg. Oh, there's here. No, it's round there.
Smith, everyone. Now here's the latest from the Commonwealth. Reports suggest a chem deal gone bad, outside Diamond City. Details are scarce, but it sounds like whatever happened, it was pretty violent. While there's no official connection, it has been noted that Diamond City resident Henry Cook went missing at approximately the same time. If we're able to verify any further details of this story, we'll pass them on to you listeners.
She looks cute. Hi, Sovereign 3041, welcome back to my stream.
Next we'll hear Civilization by Danny Kaye.
It wants me to listen to Sergeant Lee's tape.
A nest full of deathclaw eggs. A dozen, maybe more. Smashed to bits. Except this one.
I think you are friends with the Deathclaw.
Tell us what was in that case. If I'd known, I would have personally told the gunner bosses and that glorified liquor cabinet in Wellingham to take those Diamond City caps and stuff them. I guess we know why that Deathclaw tracked us all the way from Linwoods now. We stole their damn kids. Christ. Maybe if we just return the eggs. Oh, hey, Mama. You looking for this?
White Devils. Oh, it's on the exit. It's Ness. Don't sell it. Oh. Please don't I give you pizza.
Self-prescribed chem is recommended by me, myself,
Yes?
and I.
Yes?
Um.
Read the public and be prepared.
Huh?
Chem I Care cares about you. All
Huh?
your medicinal needs.
Yes?
Inside there. Hi, Legacy J723, very warm welcome to my stream.
Yes?
Is it up here?
Latest news from the Commonwealth.
Yeah?
I may have been programmed to serve, but in your case, I shall do so disdainfully. Let me know when you're ready to order.
You waiting on a delivery? Of some Deathclaw eggs, maybe?
What are you... Oh, the eggs. Oh, you must be with those, gunny people. Though your superior had implied there would be more of you, but... Oh, no matter. The negotiated fee was 200 caps per egg. Generous amount indeed, considering your tardiness. Though our clientele do expect nothing short of the most pristine Deathclaw eggs. Now, do you have something for me?
Barcodes come off the ticket, the head doctor washing the jeans. It's a good cost of everything.
Oh,
Just read on Yahoo. That was a day one.
What exactly are you planning to do with the eggs?
Our plans for the eggs are none of your concern.
well, man, well.
Now, are you going to hand them over or not?
Hi, Ancient Warrior, very warm welcome back to my stream. Hi, Nico Soldier, very warm welcome to my stream. It's curdled. The milk's curdled. I can't drink it when it's like that, sorry.
It's a day wash line at 33.
What happens if I give the eggs away? Something bad gonna happen.
Doesn't know how to speak. allowed to speak.
I sold them. I know White Curdle, you left it in front of the heater. I was saying you left it in front of the heater. Oh. Yeah.
That's a day of wash 33 minutes.
Who can be friends with a Deathclaw? I'm reading someone's message. Is that the option of having a companion? I like to go around with what's he called, Paladin Dance or Nick Valentine. Welcome back, Commander BF. I think, is there any benefit from having it as a friend? Because if not, I'll just let the robot have it. Because completing the quest will give me some experience. Well, properly. Deathclaw would be useful.
Oh, yes, just keep me waiting.
If you sell eggs, he gives you money and the Deadlaw won't attack you. I think you can, but not to
Oh,
my
yes,
game.